Are you looking to reach out to specific companies on LinkedIn? With LinkedIn's advertising platform, it is easy to target the companies and professionals you want to connect with. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to create a new campaign. Click on the Advertise icon on the top navigation bar. You should now be in your ad account. Don't have one yet? Here's how to create it. Create a campaign, then choose website conversions as your campaign objective. Remember to give your campaign a name. Next, you need to select your target audience. Under the audience section, choose company names as your targeting option. Here, you can input the names of the specific company you want to target. For example, if you like to target investment gatekeepers working at OCBC Bank, go ahead and search for OCBC. You can further narrow your target audience by adding job function, seniority, and more to find the right decision maker at those companies. But Jave, I have thousands of companies to target. Do you mean I have to add it in one by one? Well, lucky for you, there's an easy way to bulk outload company names into LinkedIn. Click on Plan, Audiences, Create Audience. Upload a list. Under the List Type dropdown, select Company List. You should download LinkedIn's template first to ensure your data format matches their requirement. Go ahead and download it. Here's what it looks like. Remember to save your data as a CSV file. Nice! But what if I want to target everyone in the industry instead? To target the whole industry, that's super easy. Just select Company Industry and bam! Here's the list of key industry. Now, it is time to choose your ad format. In my experience, video ad works well. However, you need to ensure you have a great hook using the AIDA framework. Attention, interest, desire, and action. Set your budget and schedule for your campaign. LinkedIn offers flexible budget options so you can choose the best plan for your needs. Lastly, let's create an ad for your campaign. Write compelling ad copy and select an engaging image or video. If you are not sure how to write compelling ad copy, click here to learn more. Once your ad is ready, you can preview it to make sure it looks just how you want it. Your campaign is now live and will start reaching the specific companies you have targeted. If you have limited or no budget to advertise online, then you will need to increase your SEO ranking. Check out this video here so that your customer can find you more quickly online. Follow me if you want to grow your business online using digital marketing. Comment below if you have any questions, I read them all. With LinkedIn's powerful advertising platform, reaching the right companies and professionals has never been easier. Give it a try today!